And the ethical correlation. In Grand Theft Auto, women are used as objects that can just get thrown away afterwards. There are some scenes in this video game that show women as wearing clothes that are too small for them. This game also shows a woman lounging in their bikinis, with men wolf whistling at them in efforts to gain their attention. Kant's theory states that people should be used as means to an end. Acts so that you treat humanity, whether in your own person or in that of others, always as an end and never as a means only. In this one video game, women are always used as means that really have no end to it. Women in this video game are over-sexualized and used for their bodies.
So, in conclusion, the examples and ethical theories shown contribute to the overall current standing of females and the representation of body within movies and games. We see misrepresentation and hypersexualization constantly in our world of entertainment, and beginning to acknowledge that will lead us to taking corrective action. And here are our sources. Thank you very much.